This is so much fun living here on the 6th floor. And first listen, a very nice, beautiful view here I discovered. But besides that, I had all the birds flying in. I thought, how will I ever be able to get a picture of those? I can't stand here for hours and suddenly it's happening. And now what is happening here? I even saw a feather coming down. Oh my god, this is so amazing. You see the tails here, but the thing is that before I could hear them talk, like the mother talked to their daughter, or mother talked to the father, or the father talking, or whatever, but it really sounded like care, you know. And look, they're sitting right there because it's the rooftop. Maybe you can hear them now. So amazing. Oh, wow. Yeah, this video can't be too long, I know. Wow, there they were.